Algeria currently generates a relatively small amount of its electricity from renewable sources, including solar, hydro, and wind. Because Algeria needs to export its hydrocarbons resources that support an overwhelming part of the Algerian economy, the country must now reconsider the role of renewables. Analysts predict that unless Algeria adds significant renewable resources to its power generation mix by 2035, it will need to forego hydrocarbon export revenues to supply domestic power demand. In terms of future renewable energy development, the country's most abundant renewable resources are solar, wind, hydro, and biomass. Regarding solar power potential, Algeria is home to some of the world's highest solar irradiance levels, with the capacity to generate 1850 to 2100 kilowatts per hour and up to 3500 hours per year in its desert regions. For wind, Algeria has a 1300 kilometer Mediterranean coastline with wind speeds of more than 8 meters per second. In addition to winds coming off the surface of the Sahel in the south, Algeria aims to produce 27% of its electricity from renewable resources by 2035, mostly from solar power. To reignite the country's energy transition in 2021, the Algerian government made a new push to develop strategic partnerships in the field of renewable energy with multiple countries including China, Germany, and the United States. More specifically, the government seeks to forge relationships with foreign suppliers in engineering services, storage system, solar tracking technologies, universal certification solutions, and solar application kits for agriculture. Towards this end, Algeria launched a tender for a 1 gigawatt solar energy project in 2021, comprised of building 5 power generation sites ranging from 50 to 300 megawatt each. Sonatrach, Algeria's national oil company, is also launching sizable solar power projects to transition from oil and gas power generation for its off-grid oil and gas surface processing facilities. State-owned companies dominate Algeria's renewable energy sector. Prominent players include Sonatrach, the national oil company, Sonelgaz, the power utility, and the Algerian Energy Company, a joint venture between Sonatrach and Sonelgaz. US companies interested in doing businesses in Algeria will primarily interact with Siemens, a company owned by Sonatrach and Sonelgaz, created to serve as a one-stop shop for companies pursuing larger IPP renewable energy projects. International companies from Germany, China, Italy, Egypt, Spain, and the UK are already working on the renewable energy projects in Algeria. Some foreign companies have invested in local manufacturing and have privileged access to tenders. Strategic government-to-government engagements support other competitors and pave the way for their technologies and services in Algeria. The Algerian solar power supply chain grew significantly in the last decade and now seeks to add IPP development, engineering, and design capabilities. EPC services, inverters, manufacturing, storage solution, manufacturing, universal certification expertise, and operation and maintenance services. US companies considering relocating their manufacturing capabilities away from Asia and may consider Algeria a viable alternative, given its well-developed ecosystem, dynamic, qualified, cost-effective labor, low-cost energy, and free trade agreements with Europe, North Africa, the Middle East, and the Africa. Thanks for watching this video till the end, and do subscribe to the channel to get the latest update on construction videos.